Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, beta. Okay, children, I hope you can see my screen with problem 12. So today's session is on algebra. You had the introduction by Tambe sir, where he explained the theory. And then we did one session did one session with me on November 6th. Okay. So today again, we'll do puzzles and different kinds of algebra problems that are from these competitive exams. Okay. So let's, without further, we have a lot to cover today. So let's get started. Okay. We'll start with this puzzle. Children can see my screen, right? It says problem 12. In a magic square, as you know, the sum of all rows, columns, and diagonals are the same. Find the value of B in this magic square.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, beta. Let's start solving this magic square. Okay. And I'll give you 5 to 7 minutes. Okay. If 5 minutes people have solved it, then we'll discuss. Magic square, find the value of B, the center.
How much my answer, right? You send my answer.
Okay. Yeah. I'll keep checking.
Explain my answer for this problem after solving.
Yes. You'll give the others 3-4 minutes. Okay. To solve. Others are still solving. Achyutan, you can lead us through the problem. Okay.
Okay.
Actually, Achyutan, I want you to be second because I want somebody who's taken a longer method. I think you have just hit the nail on the head. So we'll see if somebody has taken a longer method and then come to you.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I tell the solution for this one? I've sent you the answer.
Yeah, you are right. Two more minutes for the others to solve the problem. Shrestha or Raga, have you made any progress on the problem?
I'm working on it.
Okay, sure. Take
Working on it, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Others also, please send your solution on the chat box.
Ma'am, can we repeat numbers for this? Like use the same number twice?
No, all are different. The A, B, C, D, E are different numbers.
Okay.
I'll just give you one more minute. Raga, have you made any progress? Can you just, will you be able to start us off?
I haven't made really any progress.
Okay, no worries. Shrestha, will you be able to start us off?
Ma'am, I solved it, but I've got very different as in.
No problem. No problem.
Uh,
Hold on. I think raise your hands, whoever is close to a solution, or you have got even one of the. Yeah, okay. Saket has got it. Huh. Shivansh, this. Okay. Okay. Or if you've got any of the A, B, C, D, or E. Okay. Okay.
uh, 10 level, so 10 here, 11 wrap, 11, 12, 12.
What we'll do, Shrestha, can you just get us started? Okay, just get us started on how you approached it. Okay, and I will write down the notes. Meanwhile, others can keep working and sending me the answers if you want. Then next, once Shrestha begins the solution, then Achyutan can also he can also present his solution. Shrestha,
Ma'am, I've not gotten, as in, this is what I've gotten. But this is not actually.
doesn't matter. Shrestha, it is not that you always have to have correct answer. Okay, just
Okay, ma'am.
tell us how you approached it. Okay.
I approached the normal, the one I was taught in Ganita. So 10, I took down towards the right. So 10 just beside D, not to E, and wrap to 11.
1 second. Yeah. Sorry, Shrestha.
Should I annotate?
Yeah. No. Yeah. You tell me. Sorry, I was called away. Yeah. Tell me again.
So I
What
took
was
it
your
here. So
you
11
formed
comes here.
equations? Very good. You formed equations, right? Okay. So you saw 10 and okay, different way of solving. Okay, you saw 10 and 11, and then what did you do?
So because 11 went down, 12 would also have to go down, which means 12 would come here. But then 13, if this was not there, 13, because 12, 13 can't come here, 13 would come here.
Okay.
But that's where it's colliding. 14 is here and 13 is here.
Oh,
And
you
after
did
that,
it that J method, right? Which Vanessa taught.
yeah.
Okay. You are very close to the answer, Shrestha, but not exactly correct. Let us try somebody else. Yeah, okay. Achyutan, you can walk us through your solution. But 1 second. Anybody else? Yeah, it's fine. Achyutan, why don't you walk us through your solution?
And I also
Yeah.
have the answer.
Keep
By the way.
writing. 1 second. Huh?
Yeah.
I'll keep writing. Yeah. Explain how you got your equations. So we know that in a magic square, the rows, columns, and the diagonals will all add to the same.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Continue, Achyutan.
So, first 19 plus 14 plus A is the total so it must be 33 plus A.
Okay, hold on. Huh? So you are saying that you took the top row, huh? And then what did you say? Ki that is equal to 33 plus A. Okay, fine. Then
So
what did you equate it to?
yeah, ma'am. So what I took was I took column 1, then 19 plus 10 plus D should be equal
Correct.
to 33 plus A.
Yes, that is correct. So
Uh,
the first row and the first column you equated. Okay, so you got your first equation. And what did that simplify to?
that simplified to 29 plus D equal to 33 plus A. Therefore, D in terms of A must be 4 plus A.
Okay.
So
So you said 1 second. Huh? So so this simplifies to D is equal to 4 plus
4 plus A in terms of A.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. So next step, I took the diagonal, which is D, B, and 14. That diagonal.
Okay. You took what? Both the diagonals?
No, I took only one diagonal. D, B, and 14. That
D
diagonal.
plus 14.
We
Okay.
know that D is plus A. So 4 plus A plus B plus 14
Just
must
a
be equal
second.
to
So you
30
took
plus
the
A.
diagonal. Okay, Achyutan took the
Ah,
diagonal.
yes, ma'am.
I'll just
Yes, ma'am.
write D plus B plus 14 is equal to
It should be equal to 33 plus A.
okay, correct.
So substituting our earlier value of D in terms of A, we know that D is 4 plus A. So 4 plus A plus B plus 14 must be equal to 33 plus A.
Okay, 4 plus A plus B plus 14, correct?
Ah, yes, ma'am. 4 plus A plus B plus 14 must be equal to 33 plus A.
Excuse my handwriting here. Okay, 33 plus A. Okay. Children, I hope you are following his logic.
Yeah, ma'am. So this simplifies that 18 plus A plus B is equal to 33 plus A.
Correct. So A cancels out.
Yeah, ma'am. A
And if
cancels.
you simplify,
Okay.
what you get is B is equal to
B is equal to 15.
50. Okay. Very good. Short method. Anybody have a
Ma'am,
long?
I have a different and shorter one.
Okay. Who's that, beta?
Ma'am, I have a different
Ma'am,
answer.
Shivan.
Shivansh. Okay. Shivansh, you can give me your method. Huh? Hold on. It's even shorter. See, once you form the equations, you will eventually get it. Okay. Shrestha, try forming the equations, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Just take one row, one column and make that equal to, make those equal. You'll get a set of equations and then you can just solve those equations. You will ultimately get, but yeah, Shivansh has a shorter method. Okay, go ahead, Shivansh. Shivansh, can you get started?
Yes, ma'am. I tried finding a pair of row and column such that they intersect at a point of variable and also include B in them.
Okay.
So the two I got were 10 plus B plus C
Okay, 10 plus B plus C.
is equal to 14 plus 11 plus C.
Okay. Okay, got it.
Ma'am, then I cut C from both sides
Yeah,
and then I took 10 on the right RHS
got
to
it.
find C is equal to B is equal to 25 minus 10 is equal to 15.
15. Okay, very good. Very good. So this is a short method. Where, so good. So Achyutan, what his approach was that find one which is where intersecting at a common variable C. Okay. So then C cancels on both sides.
Ma'am, you can also use this same method by taking common D
Common
and
D,
taking
okay.
the diagonal and the row there.
Correct. The 19 plus 10 plus D is equal to, okay, good. So let's do that.
Yes, you can do that way as well.
So if children, yeah. Anybody followed what he said and can explain?
Yes, ma'am, I understood. Ma'am, I have a different method also.
Achha, Saket has a different method. Saket, yeah. Ahan, you understood now. What can you let me? Saket, wait. The different method will come to later. Ahan, can you tell the first column and the diagonal?
Sorry, ma'am.
Yeah. Can you tell us how we can take that? Because now the shorter method includes D for dog. This column and the diagonal. Can you lead us through that equations or your solution? That's fine.
Ma'am, I have like another solution.
Sure. Tell.
So, one main thing about magic squares is that in a 3x3 magic square, the middle number is basically 1/3 of the addition of one line.
Okay.
So now we know that, and B is the middle number.
Yeah.
So now we know that 19 plus 11 plus B
Hold on. Which one? Oh, okay. You took this diagonal, right?
Yeah. So I
Okay.
say
15 plus 11 plus b. That is 30 plus b, right? I'll
yeah.
just,
So 30 plus b
yeah.
is equal to 3b because the middle number is.
Okay.
So now we know that 30 is equal to 2b.
Okay. Very good. Yeah.
So that's why b has to be equal to 50.
Perfect. Perfect. Very different solutions and interesting solutions coming up. Excellent. Okay. So b is equal to 15. Saket, you have another different method? Or was this your method?
Ma'am, my method I found A first.
You found A first, na? Okay. Saket, yeah, that is, very good. So everybody approached it in different way. I will just present one more solution and then we'll move on to next problem. I think most of you got it. Okay.
Miss, excuse me, miss.
Yeah.
I
Who's talking? Man.
yeah. I was asking that I did not understand the second solution you wrote 30 plus B1.
Okay. See, yeah, here I forgot to mention that he says that this whoever was it Shivansh or who explained just now this solution? Okay, I forgot the name. The center number, the B, is 1/3 of the sum of
Yes.
any of the rows or columns. Okay. So then what he did was any of the rows or columns or diagonals. Okay. So what he did was that means 19 plus B plus 11, that's the sum. And it will be, so 30 plus B. One second. Okay. So, yeah. Yeah. So that will be then, because if B is 1/3, then this 3B is equal to 30 plus B. Hold on. Actually, better, who was that who just explained this solution? Can you explain once again better? Whose solution was it? 30 plus B is equal to 3B?
It was
It was Ahan's solution.
Ahan, right. Ahan, can you just explain once again, please?
Yes, ma'am.
How yeah, just break this part up. 30 plus B is equal to 3B.
Okay, so the rule is that the middle number is in a 3 by 3 magic square will be 1/3 of the sum in each row. So, for example, here the sum of in each row is so we need to find out. So that's why we know that 19 plus
3
11
times B will be the sum of each row or each diagonal.
each diagonal.
Okay, got it.
So now
You understood better, whoever had the question? That is a rule.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yeah.
great.
But ma'am, I did not understand like 30 plus B is equal to 3B. I understood that, but how is 30 equal to 2B?
Okay,
Oh,
okay.
understood. Yeah, I understood.
You understood, na? Subtract B from both sides. Solving like, like simple equation, linear equation. Yeah, subtract B from both sides and you get 2B equal to 30. Okay, got it. Fine. I'll just give one more solution. This is again same thing. This time I took the 19 plus 10 plus D is equal to D plus B plus 14. Okay. And then again, so cancel D from both sides and you get B plus 14 equal to 29. All of you have given different solutions. So this is just one more version. Nothing new in this. Okay. Okay. Children, you want to note down one of the solutions? Those who couldn't do, and we'll get started on the next problem. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next problem now. I'll share the screen. Let's try this one. An art supply store is selling colored pens in packages of 3 and packages of 5. If the store has a total of 52 pens, what are all the combinations of 3 pen packages and 5 pen packages they can have? If anyone did not understand the problem, ask a question. Else you have 5 minutes to solve the problem.
Ma'am, can we tell the number of possibilities because to type in the chat?
Yeah.
Ma'am, how many possibilities are there?
I got 3.
Ma'am, are there only 3?
Yeah, I got 3. See if you can find the combinations. One more minute. Then Vishwajit, you can just start us off. Okay.
Ma'am, can I also explain my solution?
Sakit, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Sakit can go after Vishwajit.
I send it to you. I forgot to send.
Yeah, please send. Johan, give the different combinations as well, please.
Okay.
Ma'am, I sent you the remaining combination.
Sorry. Yeah, you're fine.
Ma'am, I did the combinations of 3 pen packages and 7 pen packages by mistake.
3 pen packages and 7 pen? It is 5 pen.
Yes, but I did it. I did the whole problem.
Okay. No worries. As long as you are... So what was the equation you got? First was?
I didn't do equation. I first found the multiples of 3 and then I subtracted from 52 and I found the pattern and I went along with the pattern.
Okay. Fine. It's all a different problem, but your approach is correct. Yeah. Johan is also correct. Okay. Vishwajit, can you get us started? Wait, I'll just, I'll go to that one note. Okay, yeah.
Even I found the answer. Can I tell after them?
Okay, who's that?
And can I also say after?
Yeah, Sakit, you go next, huh? Because your answer is correct. Who's that? Nidhi?
No,
Aitreya. Okay. Vishwajit, start us off. Then Aitreya take over. Okay. And Sakit, you'll get first chance in the next time. Okay. If they finish. Okay, Vishwajit, can you start us off? How did you approach this problem?
Yes, ma'am. First, I tried dividing 52 by 3, which got me 17 and one remainder. So I found out that that
Hold
didn't
on.
work.
52
So
by 3, you got, okay, 17 and one remainder, okay?
yeah, so I found out that that didn't work. So I tried dividing so I tried dividing 52 by another number, which got a remainder, which is a multiple of 5.
Okay. And what number was that? So trial,
Uh,
right?
yeah, trial and error. So I
Okay.
got 14 times 3, which is 42, and the remainder is 10, which is 5 into 2. So 14 packages of 3 and 2 packages of 5.
Okay. 14 into 3 plus, what is that? 2 into 5. Okay.
Yes.
Good. Next, who was it? Aitreya. Okay. Yeah. So Vishwajit, you got one combination, huh? Through your method. Had you tried more, you would have gotten more also.
I got all the combinations, all the 3 ones.
Yeah, Aitreya,
Yes,
can you walk us through your solution, beta?
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, totally there are 52 pens. So I started with the multiples of 3. So
Okay, hold on, huh? So 3 pen, I'll just make 2 columns here, okay? 3 pen.
And then the next was other.
Huh? Another.
Not 5 pens, other. Because
Other.
they're not all the combinations are not the multiples.
Okay, sure. I'll write 3 pen and then other. Okay.
The first multiple of 3 is 3, of course. Then I subtracted 3 from 52. It came 3 and then 49. 349
Okay.
in
So
the
you-
other one.
other. Okay.
So it is not. And then next was 6.
Okay.
So
Hold
6
on.
and
So you are
46.
saying once if you get here a multiple of 5, then you've got a solution. Is that right?
Yes.
Total is 52. Okay. 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 Next, what did you do?
Next is 6, which is
Okay.
46. 6 and 46.
So it did not work. Okay.
46 is
When
not
did
a-
you? Now you go to when you got your first success.
And then I got a pattern. 9.
Okay.
40
Hold on. You are saying you actually got a pattern. So,
Yes. Then I wrote
have a
all the
question.
other. Then I wrote all the other -3, -3, -3, -3.
hold on.
46 -3.
What is your pattern? I want to see. So 3, 6, 9, and here. Okay. 1 second, Saket. We'll come to your question.
Here the 3's are getting added and here the 3's are getting subtracted.
Correct. Yeah, that will happen because you're doing a multiple of 3,
Yes.
the 3 times table, right, beta?
That's why I wrote all the numbers.
Huh.
And after that I got 40.
Okay. The next one you got was 40. When
12 and 40.
your first success was at this. Correct? Okay.
4
Good
sets of
approach.
3 pens, then 8 sets of 5 pens.
Yeah. So, okay. Very good. Aitreya, so you got this one solution. So we have one solution where you have 4 packages of this and 2 packages of 5, if you think. And the other solution you got was
And I went on and I got 27, then 25.
okay. So what, sorry, in you got this. So here it is 4 and this is 8. Sorry, this is not correct. Okay. Okay, good. And so on when you found all the solutions.
Yes. Till 48. I went on.
Till 14 you went. Okay, very good. Yeah. Okay. Who was going to talk next? That's Saket, right? Saket?
Ma'am, I have another approach to this one. Shivansh.
Shivansh?
Same, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, tell.
Wait one.
Shivansh, you go ahead. Then Saket had a question actually. Saket, ask your question better.
Yes, ma'am. Why did Aitreya pick by 3? Because if she picked by 3, then she has to check a lot. If
Yeah.
she picked by 5, it will be easier, right?
It would be easier. That's a very good point too. Very good. Yeah. Correct. So yeah, good point. It would go faster.
Because the first number I saw was 3, then I took 3. Because
Yeah,
when I saw
Aitreya,
3,
you are correct. It is. There is nothing wrong to it. Saket is just suggesting that it would be a little faster method. Okay. Shivansh, yeah, you go ahead, beta. What was your method?
Ma'am, so I made a Diophantine equation out of it,
Oh, okay. What was the
which
equation
was
you got?
5x plus 3y.
Yeah. So let x be what? What is x?
Ma'am, x is the number of that 5 pack and y is the number of 3 pack.
Okay, x is equal to 5 pack. How many 5 pack packages are there? And this is number of 3 packs is y. Okay.
So my equation was 5x plus 3y is equal to 52.
5x plus 3y is equal to 52. Okay. Then?
Ma'am, so then I solved this Diophantine and got the general terms to be for x equal 2 plus or minus 3y, 3a,
Okay.
and y is equal to 4 plus or minus 5b.
but plus minus 4. Is that it? And x is equal to? No, am I
Ma'am,
writing? I'm not writing it correct. Na? Repeat what you just said.
ma'am, x is equal to 2 plus
1 second. So this is your Diophantine equation way of solving, which others may not know. X is equal to 2 plus
3a.
3a.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we can also subtract it, so it will be plus or minus
Okay.
both way.
Hmm.
And y is equal to
Yeah.
4 plus or minus
Yes.
5. B. Ma'am, so from this I got 3 solution. X comma y is equal to
Okay.
8 comma 4, 5 comma 9, and 2 comma 14.
Okay. Excellent. Okay. Very good. So all of you have, approached in different ways.
I may
Uh,
also have another method.
who's that, beta?
Ma'am,
I'm
Akshudan.
Saket, my mutual, I can go after Shivansh. You told I was good before Shivansh.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. Let Saket go. Huh? Then we'll. Okay. Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Saket.
so
And
the method, like I was about to use what do you call this same method, like using
Diophantine.
polynomial, but then I wondered because that like we are dealing with only integers here, so I
Right.
decided to use congruency method.
Okay.
So now, like I decided to like go in chunks of 5 because it will be easier. So
Okay.
now, what I want to do is that I want to like for every multiple of 5, I want the difference 52 minus 5 to be a multiple of 3. And so, but what can I say for that? Now 52 is 1 mod 3, right? It's one more than a multiple of 3. Therefore, if you're subtracting it by a multiple of 5, then multiple of 5
is equal to
1 mod 3.
okay. Yeah, because
We learned this before in
12
F40, so everyone knows this. Okay.
Okay.
So then, what we want, because we are subtracting 52 from a multiple of 5, that 5 multiple of 5, let's take 5n. Okay. 5n should be what do you call 1 mod 3. So if you subtract 1 mod 3 from 1 mod 3, you'd get a multiple of 3, which is what we want, right? Because we want integer packages.
Okay.
So we get 1 mod 3.
Okay. 1 mod 3. Okay. Okay.
Now
Then you did different values for n? No.
No. So now what we can directly do is that because we know 5 is already 2 mod 3, right? 5 is already 2 mod 3. So if we notice that it will go in like numbers of 2, like for example, 5 like 5 multiplied by 1 will be 2 mod 3. 5 multiplied by 2 will be 1 mod 3, and 5 multiplied by 3 will be 0 mod 3. So it will go in that 2 1 0 pattern, and this is similar to I3's pattern also, which he implicitly like implied in this 2 1 0 pattern. So now what we want this 2 1 0, we want when it's 1, right? Because when it's 1 only, it will be 1 mod 3, and if we subtract, it will be 0 mod 3 multiple of 3.
Yes.
So now this happens every 3 times, of course, because we knew that from before, but we know that happens every second time. So therefore, it won't happen 5 multiplied by 1 when n is 1, but it will happen when n is 2. And plus 3, n is 5. And plus 3, n is 8. And it will happen 11 also, but we only want till 40, we only want till 52, right? So therefore, if we can try also, we know 5 into 2 is 10. Now 52 minus 10 is 42. 42 is divisible by 3. Now if we take 5 to 5, 25. 52 minus 25 is 27. So also multiple of 3. And we
Okay,
take
hold on. When
12,
n equal to 2, you get 5n is equal to 10, and then remainder is 42. So you get the other combination for 3 pack, you get 12.
Yes.
No, sorry. Correct.
No,
14, sorry.
wait, yeah.
14. You get the 3 pack as 14. Now carry on from here. So n equal to 2 worked. Which is the next one which has
Which will be, it will be
one more
3 more because it goes in this 2 1 0 cycle. No. So now
Okay.
when it's 2 1, when it's 1 or 3, it's 2. Like the n is equal to 2. So again it goes 0 and then 2 and then 1. So we add 3 to 2. We get 5. And then again we get 8. So when it is 5, this thing 3 will be 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 25. So 3. So it will be 27 total spends from 3 packages. Therefore 9
yeah.
packages. Yeah.
9. So that means 3 pack.
No, ma'am, 9. 9 3 packs.
Oh,
Right?
sorry, my mistake. Yeah.
And similarly, when we add more 3, we add like n equals to 8 and n equals to 40. So therefore 12 for the pens from the 3 packages, and which is equal to total of 3.
Okay.
No, 4. Yeah. 4 3 packages. Now, like, the advantage of this method is that if it is a big number, once you identify pattern, like even if it was, let's say, forget 52, let's say it was like 142, okay, still we know that the numbers is 2, then 5, then 8. Instead of manually listing out and then finding the pattern, you can use the advantage because you can do it for big numbers also.
Yeah, very good. So because Saket knows modular arithmetic, he could solve with this novel method.
We learned in FMOT. Everybody knows.
Perfect.
Miss, can you explain it once more?
What we'll do is let's postpone the explanation to end of the class, or you can just ask Saket to send you the written solution, so we can move
listen
on.
tomorrow in the recording.
Yeah, you can listen to the recording. That's also right. Okay, let's move on to the next problem in the interest of time. Okay, I think most of you solve this either through trial and error or through equation or through modular, okay, or through Diophantine. So different ways and you solve. Okay, 1 second. Okay, let's go to this one. Okay, here. Find natural numbers a, b, c such that their sum is 6, sum of their squares is 14, and the sum of the products a and c and b and c is equal to square of one more than a and b. So when you form the equations, just be very careful with this last part. Okay, I'll give you 5 minutes to solve the problem. We'll start discussing at 8:20. Now it's 8:40. Meanwhile, send your answers in the chat.
Actually, ma'am, we don't need to do any fancy mathematics or anything like that. It's quite simple because.
Okay, don't give out the answer, Johan. Please just send it in the chat.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, are ABC like two different numbers and one? No, Are ABC such numbers that A and B are same if C is different? B and C are
All
same.
are different numbers, beta. All are different. Everybody who sent answers so far is correct. Okay. Can we, Achyutan, you have a very shortcut method, right? Can we have Raga? Raga, you start us off on the solution. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Just give 2 more minutes to everyone, then we can get started.
Ma'am, I was solving an algebra, but then I realized the numbers were small, so I just like guessed and got
Trial
it.
and error, guessed. Okay.
But
Yeah,
I'll
that's
solve an algebra now.
lot of children are doing that actually.
Ma'am, is mine correct, Shrestha?
Hold on, let me check. Yeah, you're correct. All those who have sent your answers, all are correct. Raga, did you solve with trial and error or algebra?
I don't really have a method. As soon as I saw it, I got it.
Okay, instinct, right? Okay. Anybody solved it with algebra? Let's go the long method and then we'll all come to the short method. Okay.
I'm doing algebra, ma'am. I know the answer. I'm just doing algebra to like confirm.
Okay, who is that, beta?
Johan, ma'am.
Johan. Okay.
Same Saket, same.
Johan and Saket both have the algebra method. Okay. Johan, once you are done with the algebra method, we'll start discussing. Huh? Raga,
Okay.
no, since you did trial and error, which a lot of children have done, so we will not.
Ma'am, I can do in both methods.
Who's that? Johan? Or
No,
who?
me, Raga.
Raga, okay. Raga, why don't you start us off with the algebra method, okay?
Okay.
And then Johan can continue, okay?
Okay.
Okay, hold on. Let me just open one note.
That is my answer correct, Aitreya. I sent my answer.
Yeah, Aitreya, you are good. You will just first see Raga's solution and then Johan will continue and hold on.
Ma'am, then can I also explain my method?
Who's that? Aitreya,
Aitreya.
right? Yeah, okay. After Johan, you can go. Okay. Yeah. Let's start off. Yeah, Raga, can you
start with the algebra
equations?
method?
Huh. Let's
Okay.
start the equations.
Okay. Then we can start with A plus B plus C equal to 6.
Very good. That's our first equation. Yeah. Next equation.
A square plus B square plus C square is equal to 14.
Okay. Okay. The last equation.
Can you go back to the other page? So,
yeah, sure. Hold on. I'll just read it out for you.
Yeah.
Product of A and C and product of B and C. Add those two.
Okay. Then A times C plus B times C.
Okay. is equal to,
it's one more than the product, right?
yeah, correct. AB
C.
plus,
Oh,
was it AB plus 1 whole square, correct?
yeah.
Okay. Okay, do you want to continue?
The other person can take over.
Okay, Johan, continue from here. Did you also go do these 3 equations, Johan?
Yes, ma'am, but there was some sort of problem in the third equation. When I tried to confirm with my values, it was not really working out.
Where?
But I think by now everyone knows the answers, right?
Yeah. Okay, Johan. Okay. Who will continue this method?
Saket?
Ma'am, can I?
Okay. Okay, Saket. Yeah. Saket, continue.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I can just like continue. I can't get like the final answer, but it seems like I find
No
it.
worries. No
Okay.
worries. You just continue for a bit and then Achudan can finish off. I think Achudan, did you finish with this method?
Yes, ma'am. I did this.
Okay. So Saket, why don't you, I know Saket, you solved it in a very simple way and quick way, but you can just take us through the next few steps and then Achudan will take over. Tell.
Okay. So AC plus BC, you can simplify it as A plus B into C.
Okay. Got it.
And A plus B plus 1 square, we can simplify it as AB into AB plus 2 plus 1. Like what
Correct.
I did AB square plus 2AB plus 1, and then I got AB common out, AB into AB plus AB into 2 and AB into AB plus 2 plus 1.
Okay, hold on.
Okay. And then
1 second. Then 2AB. Okay, so you basically you took out AB common from here, right? Okay. AB then becomes AB plus 2.
AB square
What is
plus
this?
1.
AB square plus 1 plus 2.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so sorry about that.
Yeah.
Okay. AB plus 2 is inside the bracket plus 1.
Plus 1.
Okay.
Okay, now what I also did is that I found that we can subtract the first 2 equations. So we can get A minus 1 into A plus B minus 1 into B plus C minus 1 into C is equal to 8.
Okay. A minus 1.
Or you could do the same thing if you add the equations. A plus 1 into A plus B plus 1 into B.
A square minus A plus B square minus B plus C square minus C, like that, right?
Yeah.
Okay. B times B minus 1 plus C times C minus 1 is equal to 8. Huh? Okay. So in solving simultaneous equations, then that's what you do. Huh? Just you keep either adding or subtracting 2 equations and eventually you will get it. Okay, next.
And that's all I did till now, ma'am. I'm not finished yet.
Okay, no problem. Achudan, do you want to either...
Ma'am, I have a different method.
Yes,
Like
sir.
it also includes
Okay,
algebra.
Achudan, you tell us your method. We can just start with your method actually. We can leave it here.
Ma'am, I did a totally different method. I think. So,
Oh, okay. Not the algebra method at all.
ma'am?
Achudan is talking, right?
Yeah.
Huh. So you said, is your method the algebra method or a totally different one?
Algebra, ma'am.
Okay, go ahead.
The steps are same until the third step, which is AC plus BC is AB plus 1 also. Until that is the same. After that only I have it.
Okay, fine. So you,
Yeah, ma'am.
so you got this far. This side. Now, this you took out C common and you did this simplified. Then what did you do?
No, ma'am, I didn't take C common. That's what I want to say.
Okay, fine. You just tell us your method.
Yes, ma'am. So I squared a plus b plus c whole square, which is
Okay, hold on. Children, you know the expansion of a plus b plus c, right? Whole square. Okay.
a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. So that is equal to 36.
Okay.
We know that a square plus b square plus c square is 14. So
You
14,
substituted that.
ma'am,
So plus 2, yeah, plus 2, and there's that AB and that whole thing.
ab
Okay.
plus bc. Okay.
AB plus BC plus AC. Okay, so I'm not writing that. So this becomes 14.
Yeah, 14 plus 2 into ab plus bc plus ac.
Correct. And this
So
side is 36.
I subtracted 14 on both sides. So 36 minus 14 should be 22.
So what did you get? 2AB plus BC plus AC?
Ma'am?
Yeah, 1 second. This expression, right? 2AB plus
2ab plus bc plus ac. That is equal to 22.
Yeah.
Uh,
The children you're following so far, right? He just squared it and then he substituted this second equation value in here, and that way he got this side to be 22.
For 22, I cancel 2 on both sides. AB plus BC plus AC should be 11.
Okay.
So after that, we know that AC plus BC must be AB plus 1 whole square.
Okay, so now you brought in the third equation, that AC
yes.
plus BC is AB plus 1 whole square. Okay. So this part he substitutes with AB plus 1 whole square.
That will be AB square plus 1 plus 2AB.
Yes. Okay. So then this side becomes simplifies to what?
So this will become, I think, AB into 3 plus AB. If after simplification. So AB plus AB square plus 2AB plus 1.
Okay.
Yeah, that will become AB into 1 plus AB plus 2, which is AB into 3 plus AB. That will be equal to 10 because we are bringing 1 to the other side.
Okay, hold on. Just tell me what is equal to 10?
The other side is
Just
equal
the
to
step
10.
before 10. The step before 10.
Yes, so 1 which is equal to 11. So AB into 3 plus AB.
Okay.
Yeah, that is plus 1 equal to 11. That we can subtract 1 on both sides, make it 10.
Okay, 10.
Then AB and 3 plus AB, the two factors of 10 which are at a distance of 3 from each other are 2 and 5. So AB must be equal to 2. Therefore, A and B must be equal to 1 or 2 and C should be equal to 3.
Okay, got it. A equal to 1, B equal to 2, C equal to 3. Okay, great.
But
So
wait,
let
you
me
want AB is equal to 2, right? But then how? Oh, wait, AB and C.
So he says that AB, so after that he plugged in some numbers, AB, and so the two factors are AB and
3 plus AB.
3 plus AB equal to 10. So then he said, okay, then that is 5 into 2. And so he put 5 here and 2 here. So that means A and B can be 2 and 1. Okay, I'll just present my solution. I think most of you have got it anyway. So just hold on. I'll just present my solution. And
Ma'am, my solution, I said
it's different, Aitria?
Yes, ma'am. This completely.
Did you do it with trial and error method?
Ma'am, a sort of, but it is not exactly trial and error.
Okay, hold on. So I also basically did the same way that Achudan did. Okay. Are you able to see this solution?
No, ma'am.
A plus B plus C equal to 6.
Ma'am, no, ma'am. I've shared your screen.
Oh, I haven't shared my screen. Hold on.
Ma'am, even I have a different solution. So
1 second. Hold on. Okay. This is basically Achudan's method. Only last part I solved with some quadratic, but that is not necessary. Okay.
Can
Who
you
has
scroll up?
Here you go. So those who want to note or take a picture, you can do that. This I found Achudan's way little easier because here you have to do quadratic equations.
Ma'am, could you keep it for a few seconds? I'm going to take a
Yeah. Now,
screenshot.
who was just saying they have different method? Aitreya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Aitreya, can you just tell your, give your steps? So I will not write it down, but we'll just all listen and see what is different. Aitreya, go ahead.
Ma'am, so there are 6 numbers which add up to 6 with different combinations.
Okay.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So
Okay.
first I check the squares of the numbers. 5 square it is 25, it is 2 more. So I cut it off.
Okay.
Then 4 square it is 16, so I cut it off. So 1, 2, 3 are left. So and 0 is also left. 0 can't be used because it will be like it will give a very less number. So I took 1, 2, and 3, and it was right.
Okay, got it. So then you came to A equal to 1, B equal to 2, C equal to 3. Very good. Yeah, that's good logic. Okay, children. So I think until this part, AB plus BC plus AC is equal to 11. This it was the same from Achudan's method. And here I solve with quadratic. Let's move on to the next problem.
Ma'am, can I just show this once again?
The screen. Continue on the screen.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Ma'am.
Sure. Okay. Let me know when you're done. Okay.
Oh, ma'am, so you got the same thing as Achudan, but just like multiplied quadratic.
Correct. He solved it in a more shortcut way.
Oh, and then got the positive root. Oh, so the roots were like -2 and +2.
Correct.
Wait, -2 into x plus 5. Wait.
So
Oh,
AB I got as AB I got as -5 or +2. So I said
oh
AB
yeah,
cannot be -5, so it has to be AB is equal to 2.
Wait, ma'am, but how does 2 like solve here? 7.
AB is equal to 2, then I plugged in A, then that means A is equal to 1 and B equal to 2.
49. Wait, 49. Ma'am, if you put 2, it will be 2. Oh, okay. Yeah, understood, ma'am. Thank you. Okay, so then you just plugged. Okay, got it.
Yes, just plugged in. Once I got AB equal to 2 and these are natural numbers, so A has to be 1 and 2. Okay, great. So let us go to the next problem. We just have half an hour left, so let's cover some more problems. We did these two. Try this. Solve for x and y. 6751x plus 3249y is equal to 26751. And 3249x plus 6751y is equal to 23249.
Ma'am, can I share the solution for this question?
Who's that, beta?
Ma'am, Shivansh.
Shivansh, we'll give Divyam a chance. Divyam,
Okay, ma'am.
we'll have Divyam start us off. And then,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I first added both the
hold on.
equations.
Hold on. Others are still solving. Give 1 more minute, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
I want some more answers to come in.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll let you know.
Ma'am, I got it. Ma'am, sending in the chat.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, I don't know whether integers or not. I'll just send a very simple, like, final this thing because it's too
Sure,
basic.
sure. Okay.
Ma'am, the question we did was 10th one, na?
Yes, I'm sorry for scrolling down. Yes, this
No,
one.
no, ma'am, ma'am, you can scroll down next one. You can see.
Saket, I haven't received your... Okay, okay. Yeah, got your answer.
Ma'am, I sent it.
Yeah, got it.
Can you please wait for
Yeah, I'm waiting. Don't get thrown off by the big numbers. You know how you solve simultaneous equation, that way only you solve. Okay? Add the equations, subtract the equations, that way. Yeah, all those who have sent are correct. Okay? Okay, Divyam. Let's move on. Oh, hold on. Two people raised hand. Achudan, Ahan. Achudan, Ahan, you've already taken us through several of your solutions. So let's give it. Let's hear from Divyam now. Divyam, can you walk us through a solution? Hold on a second. Huh? I'll just open OneNote so I can take your. Yes, Divyam, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Ma'am, I first added both the equations
Wait
and
a second. Wait a second.
yes, ma'am.
Oops, this is something else altogether.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. At first, I added both the equations,
And what did you
and
when you added the equations?
ma'am, like the terms which are like I added both the equations. The terms having variable as x, I added them, and same with the y, and after that is equals to sign. So it
Yeah.
was
So
making
you added the two
10,000x.
equations.
Yes,
Huh.
ma'am.
So you
So
got
it was making 10,000x plus 10,000y is equal to 50,000.
okay.
So I
Hold
took
on.
10. Yes, ma'am.
Hold on. Let me just note it down. So it's
Okay.
simplified to 10,000x plus 10,000y.
Ma'am, you wrote 1000x actually.
Oh, sorry.
Ma'am, even I did by the same method.
Perfect. Is equal to 50,000. Okay.
Same equation, by the way.
Ma'am, I have a different method.
Who's that? Who was that better? Who wanted it? Johan. Okay. We'll come to your method.
No, ma'am, Shivansh.
Shivansh, sorry. Okay. Shivansh, hold on. Huh? Because this is a very simple method. So, okay. So then you get, if you take out 10,000 common and you divide both sides by 10,000, you get x plus y is equal to, Divyam, continue.
Yes, ma'am. We will get x plus y is equals to 5. And then I just did some trial and error and I took the answer as x is equal to
Oh,
3 and y is equal to 2.
okay. Good. So after that, you did trial and error and you got x equal to 3 and x3 and y2. Okay. Anybody did anything different? Did you try another? Who's that?
Ma'am, me, Shivansh.
Shivansh, yeah, tell.
Ma'am, so first I subtracted the equation number 2 from equation number 1.
Yeah,
Okay.
I want to say that.
Yeah, correct. Okay, very good. So you subtracted. Huh. Then what did you get once you subtracted?
Ma'am, I got 3502.
3502x.
No, ma'am, only 3502.
Oh, okay. Hold on. On the right side, you got 3502?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Okay. So when you subtract equation 2 from equation x, equation 2 from equation 1, and what did you get as x?
3502x minus 3502y.
Okay.
Ma'am, we can also take up the same numbers like 3249x plus 3249y, then 6751x plus 6751y, then we can get the numbers easily now.
Come again. What did you just say?
No, I just said that we can like pair these like numbers, this one and this one. We can add 3249 plus 3249 x and y, and then 6751x 6751y, and then
Hmm.
we can get the answer. Equal to 27651 plus 249.
Okay. So you took that common and in bracket you put x plus y. Yeah. That is also
Or
correct.
else we can also, yeah, that's the.
Very good. Good. So this, I think, once you subtract and add, you're getting the answers. So let's move on to the next problem.
So,
Yeah.
oh,
Anybody else? Yeah. Go ahead.
solution possible is 3 and 2.
Yes.
Oh, okay. I thought it was then x plus y equals to 5 any. Okay.
Okay. No, x is 3 and y is 2. Okay. Let us then go on to the next problem. Hold on. Excuse me 1 second. Okay, let's look at the next problem. Oh, hold on. Oops. Okay. Here you go. This is your problem. If A, comma B, comma C, comma D are positive integers, such that A plus 1 upon B plus 1 upon C plus 1 upon D is equal to 43 by 30. Okay. So this whole equation equal to 43 by 30.
Ma'am,
Haan, beta?
are these continuous fractions?
Well, not sure exactly what continuous fractions are. So let's not, don't worry about those terms. Huh? I don't want to give an incorrect answer, but just you're able to make out, right? For the A plus 1, the whole thing becomes the denominator, okay? From B onwards. So if you go backwards, C plus 1 by D, okay? And this is the denominator for for B plus 1 upon C plus 1 by D, okay? Just make sure you write it down carefully. And this whole thing is equal to 43 by 30. So what is the value of D?
Ma'am, is my answer right?
Yeah, hold on.
Ma'am, I sent my answer in the chat.
Ma'am, my answer to stage time.
Yeah. Okay. So children, just give others a chance. Give them 5 minutes to work on it. And I'll keep answering you on chat, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I sent my answer, I think.
Okay.
Ma'am, I just came from the washroom, ma'am. I'm solving this.
Yeah, please. You have 5 minutes, so don't worry.
Ma'am, Shrestha, is my answer correct?
Shrestha is, no, it's slightly off, beta. Try some more.
Ma'am, I tell you.
No, same Maitreya. Try some more.
Then is my answer right?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Somehow I'm not able
Ma'am,
to see.
Shivansh, is my answer correct?
Achudan, your answer is correct. Huh? Shivan's answer is slightly off.
Ma'am, can explain my answer?
Who, Achyutan?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, let others work. Okay, we'll start in a couple of minutes. I'll let you know. Yeah, you can take up the first. Okay, Achyutan, what I want you to do is just give the first step, how you went about it, and let others then solve the rest. Okay.
Okay, ma'am, sure.
So others listen. Those who have gone off on a different path, just listen to the first step what Achyutan does, and then maybe you can solve. Yeah, Aitreya, just listen to Achyutan.
Yes.
Achyutan, go ahead.
Yeah, ma'am. So first thing we notice that our answer is 43 by 30. So here we notice that it's an improper fraction, which is slightly greater than 1 but less than 2. So the positive integer that can satisfy for a is 1. So we can split 43 by 30 as 30 plus 13 by 30.
Okay. So basically,
30
children.
by 30 plus, so that's 1 plus 13 by 30.
30. Okay. So children, what you do is, instead of trying to simplify that a plus 1 by b plus this, start with the 43 by 30. Okay. Divide, do your division, and it will simplify to 1 plus 13 by 30. Okay. So put that, and then, okay, next, so now you got 43 by 30 is equal to 1 plus 13 by 30. Now the 13 by 30 term, you take the reciprocal, that becomes 1 divided by 30 upon 13. Okay. Now children, I want you to try, and somebody else I want you to answer. Okay. Start that way and keep expanding. Okay, I'll give you one more minute and then somebody else. Achyutan, yeah, you are off to a great start. So I just want somebody else who's able to solve it that way. Okay.
Is there any rule as to like how to deal with denominators? For example, we know if there are two terms in the numerator, we can split it like first term by denominator plus second term plus denominator. Is something like that with denominators, ma'am? Can you tell?
No, see, Saket, what you do is divide 43 by 30. Okay, long division. What do you get? 30 ones are 30 and remainder is 13. Okay, so that becomes 1 plus 13 upon 30. 1 plus 13 over 30, correct? So write 43 by 30. Let's do this like. Hold on. So start like this. 43 by 30 is equal to 1 plus, because if you divide, this is what you get. Okay?
Ma'am, just one doubt. So there is C plus 1 space by D. 1 space as in 1 multiplied by something?
No, beta, there is nothing. That is 1 upon D. It's
1 upon D, okay.
Yeah, there's no space or anything, okay? So just don't, that's just typing, okay? So once you get to, so this is, then keep expanding. Now 1 plus, now this 13 by 30 becomes, put here 1 by 30 by 13, because we wanted to get to it the form that they have given us. Okay, Saket and others. Now do the same thing here. Split it up into an mixed fraction. It's improper fraction, so split up into mixed fraction. And you will start getting it. Saket, follow?
Oh, okay.
Keep following through and you will ultimately get this form. Anyone other than Achudan has got it? I want you to explain.
Ma'am, is my answer correct now?
Shrestha beta, you have to solve it further. Keep solving same way. 30 upon 13 you solve. Saket, you want to take the next step?
Yes, ma'am. So you
Okay.
write this as 2 plus 2 by 15.
Okay, very good. Okay, so just as we split 43 upon 30 is equal to 1 plus 13 by 30. Okay, same way we will do like this. Okay, so now 1 plus, this we don't touch. Okay, now 30 by 13, if you do the long division, okay, 30 divided by 13. So 13 twos are 26. And remainder
4 by 13.
4 by 13. Very good. Okay. So this now we can write as 2 plus 4 by 13.
Oh, you have tried it like that. Okay, sir,
Yeah.
I made it wrong.
Keep expanding like that. Now you see it's coming to this form only. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. So,
Okay. Second, leave it. I think others are now attempting. Just give 1 minute, then I'll show the solution. Just keep following the same process.
Ma'am, I'll send the answers in the chat.
Yes, you can send it to me in chat.
Ma'am, isn't it supposed to be 13 by 4?
Yes, then you will take the, so it will become 2 plus 1 by 13 by 4. Very good. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So again, make this 1 upon 13 by 4.
If it leaves 1, that would be 4. Oh, no. 13 by 4 వచ్చింది. 4 plus 3 by 1 plus 1 by 3 by 1. And I believe
Okay, anybody else who got the answer, can you put it in the chat?
Ma'am, how is 2 plus 4 by 13 which you wrote in the screen? 2 by 4 by 30. 2 plus 4 by 30. Ma'am, here, wait.
Yeah, Sakit, I think one of your answers is incorrect. Just check again. A and B are correct.
ma'am, now is it correct?
Let me check. Yeah, your this. Try to find the others also. So A is correct.
Ma'am, Shrestha.
Yeah, Shrestha, I'm telling you only. Find B, C and D as well. Your A is correct. Okay, so what I'll do is, I think most of you got it. Here is the solution. Okay, just keep expanding like that. Okay. So 13 by 4. This can be.
Ma'am, after that it becomes 13 by 4. After that it becomes 4 plus 1 by 3 by 1.
Sorry, come again. 3 plus, what did you say?
4
by
plus.
4? No, it's not 4 plus. 4
No.
plus 12, right?
3 plus 1 by 4.
This one, ma'am. So it becomes, yeah.
Okay. So what's the value of D then?
4.
B.
Yeah.
It's 1 by 4 is in the form of 1 by D.
Correct. So basically A, so you've got it in that form. Now A equal to 1, B equal to 2, C equal to 3 and D is equal to 4. Okay. Just note it down, children, in case
A equals 1, B equals 3, C equals 4.
D equals 4.
So it will be 4 by 1.
Again, ma'am, is it correct?
Yeah. All those who have sent answers are correct, okay?
Like 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 is correct. Yeah. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2. Because see, we've got it in that form, okay? Vishwajit, Saket, Shrestha,
I have to leave now.
Chudan, all correct.
Ma'am, will we be doing a new problem because I have to leave now?
No, I know it's done. I'll just give you the homework. Note the homework. We are done with the class. Just note the homework and we will we will wrap up. Here you go, children.
Oh my god, let x be the number 0.
So it has 2019 zeros. Just take a picture better. 13 and 14 is your homework, okay? Remember, these problems will seem complex, okay? But actually, once you start now, they will be simple. You will get it. Don't get scared by the big numbers or the small numbers. Note 13 and 14 and then you can leave better. Thank you. Great.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Great engagement. Great problem solving. And I'll see you next time.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Good night.
Ma'am, I sent you the answer for 14.
Okay, sure. I'll check.
Same, ma'am. I also sent it like 2 minutes ago, ma'am. Just
Sure, sure. Yes, Achudan and Saket are correct. Saket, I haven't received your answer actually.
Ma'am, I sent it D, 13D.
Yeah. Perfect. Yeah, correct.
For 14 some.
Now, 1 more minute before so you people note it down. Then we'll end the class today.
Ma'am, I think that one more option should be included for 14.
What's that?
Ma'am, Achudan, I think one more option should be included.
What is that? Yeah, is there a problem in the question?
Ma'am, the question is correct. The options, there must be, I think, one more option.
Okay, fine. Let me just delete this. Huh? Children, there may be a thing. Just give just find the answer. Okay. The options may be.
And then I send the answer to you.
Okay.
Which one I have to do? My question number 13 or 14?
You don't have to do anything. Do it for homework.
Okay, ma'am. You have to do both for the homework.
Am I solved it, ma'am?
Yeah, I got it. Correct.
No, ma'am.
No, wait. Saket answer I haven't received.
Ma'am, I just.
Ma'am, was my answer correct? Or?
Yeah, correct.
And for question number
Thank you, ma'am.
So can I leave, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Children, leave. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Okay, children, hope all of you have noted down. I'm going to exit this screen. Okay. Bye, kids. Thank you for a great class.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Bye.
ma'am.